waiting make people not trust the fight. Some people say not just money making. Other one them say not for suppress opposition. Now we sweet salon, oh COVID. We now know waiting make people not trust the fight. Some people say not just money making. Other one them say not for suppress opposition. Now we sweet salon. What make you want that laugh now?
Not to God will not cover the no you are the call.
You go for a quarantine. But look like say laugh the sweet you till the way to happen.
Hey, bro, thing and day we government and they tell now about we government we don't do good thing then as alone.
Family, we don't come back today with plenty things them na the basket. Make sure no go no side we dey come back.
GG's now. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able for grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join me na with channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we dey do. Thank you for what you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.
Welcome back. This na your program. We are. Me wey dey talk to you na Justin and
Me na Ali UCC.
Famulem. Today na the program we get plenty things them for tell una as I be don say just now. But first na the basket. Wetin fish with the fishing for send to we people out there.
Before we talk about the fishing, I want to know say things then dey like wetin Justin don say, and amongst the things them wey dey, you know say they don release, you know, about 17 top military personnel them, ain't it?
Na so e be?
Yes. Not for that from now the mayor, chairman them, and then deputy them don't begin get big bump. Not to no more. We get a question one for us. Like we sing, oh salon.
We don't know wetin make people not trust the fight.
So the question is, waiting make, because according to one civil society organization and do, you know, a report where they say 35% of the people inside Freetown not trust the process for the coronavirus. Well, that's not their own findings and opinion, but other people and get, then they talk say it really past 35%, but we'll go inside and discuss why. Because we want to look at what happen inside the Ebola term and what they happen inside the coronavirus. Remember, we caretaker right now. Now be Engman, I mean, it been the opposition with the same way we been the fight the Ebola na salon. And it been get certain things then where it talk. Then thing and day we want for bring them to we look at if it be know the secrets, why people are not trust the coronavirus right now. And this now worldwide. The Ebola not to be worldwide. Now be just few African countries, in fact West African countries. So we getting things there for you. But like Justin asked me, now but talk na catch me no more, so sorry.
And before still, we dey go to the basket for fishing, waiting to get and send them to people inside the song again. Some people come and shout say the COVID-19 as salon now just money making, as we all know the babala money there. We don't the kind inside. We still people grumble for payments and other things them.
Inside the same song, they say some people say now for just suppress the opposition. We don't see beaucoup in the Japonais, the reggae they play.
We are.
Anyway, when I don't get on my own service, sit down, take your seat, let me begin serve you.
Straight not the issue, my people them. We find out say we been get Baku pastor the way they heal people them now in country. Until we all know say this COVID-19 now sick we don't affect the one or all what we need pastors them where they pray and heal people them as they do them before. But my people them we all surprised for see all them pastors here them back off for can fight the COVID-19.
Yeah.
But not surprised today we can present to a pastor when some of them go surprised for Siam where they appear for preach the word of God.
Hold on. You talk about pastor, but I see Salon police uniform.
Well, this now the pastor where are the talk about?
You sure? Oh yes, then get pastor, then get imam. But what is special about this?
Yes, the thing where special about this, the work where the pastors them before do, where they don't run away. Now in this police officer don't come for can do for the people of Sierra Leone.
Really?
Of course.
Let me listen now. It's sweet.
Open your heart for receive the word of God. For receive Papa God. Open your heart for receive Papa God in word. He said they use the foolish thing for confirm the wise. God they use the police for bringing word to una. God they use the police for bringing word to una. For let una left for do the bad thing that una they do. Time God for come, what we all go for go face judgment. Time God for come, what we go for face judgment. The foolish things, now God they use all. People are going to sit down and say, now police? Yes, now police. Because now Papa God no able to change mortal man. If he God change the police, he able for change your life.
God bless, God bless.
If he God change the police, he able for change your life. If he change the police, when they say the police and are this, the police and are that, God don't begin use people that are the Sierra Leone police force. He able to change you. I don't know what's in that situation.
This na Sierra Leone police pastor on the lamplight.
Clear one.
Wow.
Clear one. The people them until now all on see una don't hear waiting the police pastor can tell we. But Ali, what was the way the police can talk now as a pastor? Say, God, they use the foolish for change people them. What you think about that one day?
He say, before I go today, he say, as the God they use the Salon police now, I believe say plenty people go change. So the foolish thing.
Not always say, now waiting say God they use the foolish thing
So
for change other people.
For your life, the Salon police.
No, for your life. Not for your life.
I like this man. God they use the foolish thing for change people. And if the Salon police person don't begin go out for preach the word of God, people they really need for change.
Okay.
Caretaker, you police officers say people really need for change in the country. What do you think, sir?
But listen, Aliu, I really want to look inside this word. This word, it get big meaning to we. God, they use the foolish thing for change people. So, for say, and God don't they use the police.
Wait.
Listen.
Wait.
What you want to?
You forget say Salon police na part of CID?
No, not what he say. Now what the pastor say.
You forget say Salon police na part of CID?
I know, but now what
You
the pastor
forget say
say.
CID they run after people they right now because then they talk something.
No, but CID for first one after the pastor before
No,
one after
because
when
now
they
you amplify
analyze.
am, now you talk am back, now you make it go on after.
No, but not to me say. Now what the pastor say. Now me they try for look inside too.
Not true. But the foolish thing are the police. Not true.
Because now so it look like.
What did you? No, I don't like his style. When person talk now, like what you
You
laugh?
like
The
Kongo,
foolish
sir.
thing. The
No.
foolish thing are the police. Why you laugh?
No, it's too like gossip. I really get interest over this one, you know what I mean? I really get interest. Because if you as a police officer, it's good for come out now the nation, for preach the word of God. Everybody, they wait for receive them kind here. But the words the way you use one part they say, God they use the foolish thing for change people. And you're not a police officer. If you say God they use the foolish thing for change people, that Uda na you.
No, stop there. He say, the God don't begin use the Salon police for change certain things. Then, if the Salon police change, it means say you say for change. God they use the foolish thing for change.
Are you sure say this woman really aware and conscious of this one?
No. He just quote something from the Bible. He right, but just that, and the way he interprets no more. You see, now them Tolombo people, everything now they mix up. Tolombonians, everything now they mix up. But God used the foolish thing.
I don't want it the last time. Therefore, call Tolombo at this program. There is nothing like Tolombo right now. Power.
Now, una no more.
Say that there.
When we do something. Una no more do something. Una must find way out na the chuk.
Now power regime this. You don't get Tolombo. Don't get no other party they look to right now.
Okay.
Now power they look to.
If God they use the foolish things right now for change certain things, I think una the Tolombonians then self need for change. We need power. We don't do something and we need continue to do something. Mama pastor police. We bow for you, man. God bless you. You know good thing you don't do for we. At least the Salon police don't begin to change. Good thing for we all.
Okay, baby people, let me not die on this program.
Now you die.
As we not hear, now this the pastor say.
Ibi.
I pause.
Ibi.
I pause.
Good thing don't happen at Salon. We caretaker don't give appointment to one northerner for head the army. Woo! Good. The name we been there first, he been get some waiting. You know, say right now, Salon in him, he gets the gateway out and they make him. But right I don't get appointment to the northern. I mean, say, we now government of all angle. We dey go east, west, north, and south. Woo. Now back at the back.
Government. Calm down. Calm down. My people, una don't hear me, brother, don't jubilate.
Yes.
As they don't appoint one northern
as the chief of defense staff. Wait. I want you clap first. Let's say something. Just clap.
Did they force me for clap?
No, clap. I want to say something.
You know what I want to talk?
No, wait. Before you talk what you want to clap, I tell you something.
I'm not glad.
Clap no more as a Sierra Leone and green, white, and blue.
No, as you call it, the color of the Sierra Leone green, white, and blue. Pam, I clap. Talk what you want to talk.
In necessary, Fatima say, le we tell thank you to Paupa. Fatima say, le we tell thank you to Mada.
By force?
Le we tell thank you. Salon people they get bad that. We get for begin do mob justice to na Fatima say le we tell thank you to Mada. What you want to talk Kungu Sapi?
The people as soon as all see me brother they jubilate.
Fatima say le we tell
yes, of course.
To Mada.
They don't give a northern hand a big position.
Chief of defense staff.
Chief of defense staff.
Fatima say le we tell
hold on. As they jubilate, not forget say as they do this appointment, me people now just a camouflage.
Wow.
Wetin bring the camouflage?
Why would I not go appreciate we?
Now just a camouflage. I stand on me wall.
Okay, let's see.
The people una go surprise for no say before they bring this appointment, they don't sack 17. I mean 17, not to 7 no. They don't sack 17 high-ranking people now the Sierra Leone Armed Forces. From there, they can appoint this one northern for cover the 17 northerners them where they don't sack. So what did they jubilate for? Not keep silence. Waiting you they jubilate for. Why you keep silent?
Can't take an answer you do. You say brain at the table, you don't pull brain at people them out.
So now jubilate. Minus 17 plus 1. They can minus 17. Then they bring 1. Tell me now. Now I be telling you, say me, I don't want clap. Because I know me point what I want bring.
17?
They put 17 high ranking.
Not to 7?
17.
1,
2, 3,
10,
4, 5, 10.
15, 16,
plus another
17.
17.
Eh?
Then they bring 1. Can you imagine? Northerners, they sack 17. High ranking people that were all big positions
15
there.
at the north, 2 at the east.
You understand? Voila. Don't they can put 1 person for camouflage the people of Sierra Leone.
How then they start big people and soon are the police and the army? Because the last 10 are the police then.
Well, now that's now we surprise as citizens. Now this now we surprise when people are citizens.
Wait. Then don't reach retirement age?
No. I say sack. I'm not saying retire. Sack and retire, not all the same. When you sack somebody, a different with way can somebody don't retire. When you retire, that your time of office in don't do.
Forceful retirement safe na sack. If you not reach the age for retire, then say Papa go. Na like sack. Then go tell you say then we use the word say with the retire, meaning when they don't tell you say no more they sack you. Because when they retire, you will get some benefits. Well, but when they sack you, you don't get anything. I think they get a forceful retirement.
These are the changes what we cry for, and these are the changes we don't receive.
So, like you been in talk, you mean say the one chief of defense staff now for just dirty with
that camouflage. You know you can't pull 70, bring one, you feel say now something better you don't do.
Fatima say let me tell mother, thank you. But this time around it's a let's say we dey cry now. Fatima say let me tell mother, thank you.
Tell thank you.
But it's a let's say people then they cry boku now.
They need for cry because them people are not family people them. Can you imagine you grab now you pay na money you can at office wait till they can meet na sack, and some of them sack out and they sack them people here. They know they sack them for any good reason. They just they sack them because of political interest.
I don't use the word for you. Forceful retirement. Just tell you say go on retirement.
So how we country they go so? How?
Fatima say we tell mother thank you.
Is this the changes these people promise us or what?
Fatima say we tell mother thank you.
Now the new direction is what for go or waiting?
Fatima say we tell mother thank you.
Or na the pauper wey dem tell we say na in how they do so.
Anything wey dem do, Fatima say we tell thank you to mother.
So you just dey tell thank you. If even you no eat by food, you dey cry. So you pain say we get.
And then dem start 17. Fatima say we tell thank you to mother. Anybody don't tell thank you for where he sack am na mob justice. Fatima say we tell thank you to mother. Fatima say Papa, Papa dem for go and leave. Papa dem for go wait.
Oh saloon.
Yeah oh.
Oh saloon.
Yeah.
Who say we dey go? Who say we wan reach? And who say we comot from? Who say worst? Who say we dey today and who say we comot from? Who say worst?
And say, one day under, one day so, all man they doing own. Inside this power government, nobody no get control. All man they doing own.
No, but my brother, to the most serious note, any government gets in your bad side. You understand? Good. But honestly, waiting they go on today na saloon. To me own experience, it not ever take place in this country.
You see, God,
massive sacking, massive prison, people putting people in prison. You know what I mean? Give people a case where they not deserve. They not they give people a justice. All them things that they happen, they will happen. But now I feel say na the worst ever na saloon.
You see, this is not the thing. I can always make mention of this music, but before I talk about the music. Like you said, this is not the worst they happen. It may not they happen before. Because certain things, you know, this spirit of revenge politics, if we not left from inside this we had, now problem is the cause for we. Revenge. If it don't begin happen, now then they do and then don't do and double.
Now you don't see from the starting of the game.
This is not the first time. People and then they retire them, even in the last regime, then they retire them, they don't reach the age. Lawrence Lima, in back na sack na when now they may send on retirement at a young age.
But wait, I not cut you on. You be know waiting Lima do. Now the armed forces where they pull her.
They not give easy, no. As media person they tell them they don't explain. They
okay,
just
okay. Go ahead. I don't notice.
Maybe there's I think they mistake, Chris.
Some people they say tea food. When they say last year.
Huh?
Now should they say or not?
They say it's thief phone where they say
nah, no talk.
You I swear they show him outside there. That's what me talk see. But look pull up and waiting. I think it don't happen, but now it was. See, revenge politics, okay, let's look at this thing. If right now it was, if SLPP come out APC come, I go tell them not to atrocity. They are big. I think right now we can't take a need for correct the mistake. If we say we want to do different things from SAPC, we need for begin correct some of the mistakes that they and let we see how best we can able for go
but
forward.
When we can't take the correct mistakes, they are when at 3 years we chase so now the same revenge politics lock people in a Panemba Road, sack people in a certain offices, do all kinds of things when not go down well with Sierra Leoneans. When the correction they take place.
Caretaker say, let una not judge them right now. We just begin.
I know it's hard for my people. I was expecting this, but I didn't promise simplistic solutions that will only last a week. I promise a total fix, and it will take time, and I'm working on that. I want to be judged at the end, not at the beginning.
But you get 5 years inside a campaign time get for can. If 10 now you not correct your mistakes, when you correct them?
Well, it's only a year and 11 years. After that 11 years, after your own term, you can judge them. Waiting in the judge para again, we don't go. But I think say now we for correct caretaker. If you do wrong, we correct them. If we feel say you're not capable, we not get the knock.
But mind you, you correct somebody, we're ready for take corrections. Some people, they naturally, they're not just try for take correction because they feel them powerful. Because of power, they feel them powerful past anything else. So?
Yesterday better past today. Not true?
Well, people they judge for themselves. Not so many need for talker.
Yesterday today's one better. Hey, I ask this question, I don't defend this guy and this year. Musa sorry ala day. From where he pull that music. Power. Now sorry ala lost. Then me talk to the arrest him, but yeah, we know yeah.
But let me tell you the easiest sign up for friend any Sierra Leonean we talk something against this present government or we sing music against this present government. If they beat you, they not go to any of the police stations them. Go check Panemba Road. If the person not did well.
How then go check Panemba Road right now? Where Panemba Road says the count's not full up.
Now the other problem down there. So until go down at the list of the one they would be.
Interestingly, we understand say 17 people them wait for go court missing.
Really?
Yes. It was 17 people wait for go court. They not appear in a court. And anybody where they Panemba Road, whether they on the mind or waiting. As long as if for can court, then they prepare for can court. But if they're missing, waiting that happen, waiting that happen.
You not get for RT8. We don't get attempted prison break where so many people have lost their lives. So it possibly then a Panemba Road. If for can court, you don't see
No.
you don't go.
People are not die. Leon are not listening this. The information minister says that one person no more been die. When are the prison officer? I know more been die.
I don't tell you that man they lie with.
Because if person die. But wait, so if this government capable for let people and die inside Panemba Road, they not show people outside and bury them. This government capable for do something with past standing.
I don't know. You don't know. You know better no.
Wait, this is serious. People and die in Panemba Road. We don't ever see them body. We don't ever know say them go bury them. It means say they can kidnap people, say they go kill them. They not, we don't go ever know say
impossible. The right con can tell by its looks. This don't happen. We all don't afraid. We not afraid. So right now, if even not a political case you person gets in a prison, you get for in that for in life. Because of this way don't happen. Where they grave them? Where they body them? Who said them bury them?
You don't put them on corona account.
Anything come up from that end?
They don't on corona account. You know, say right every burial now they waiting. So then we just call the burial team, say corona patients them.
This changes so cry for really don't get them. I don't choke with truth.
There people that will die in Panemba Road. Who said they don't bury them? Because they know who tell we say 10 out in a mogu mortuary. Almost not 2-3 months now, so 2 months.
The border.
10 out the government is spent and the man number for let them keep them, let them the fresh inside a freezer. It's not possible they don't bury them. Who said them bury them then for tell we? Hey.
If you see that talk there, so until by the next program, now we want to sit down before this camera.
After full line.
Well, forget about that talk there because then they look for you, Jishno.
By fire, by power.
Then they look for you. Left that talk that don't want you. You know me brother left. Left for ask the people that the people that wait there in Panemba who said they bury them. Left.
If he said they will investigate me.
Left. Who not they investigate you? Who only they go investigate yourself? Left.
But now question I ask.
Left. Come on, be we.
Caretaker. With all due respect, sir. Them people that will die in Panemba will do something and bury them. Or then a mortuary still. The mortuary not do. So how someone keep them? Oh. They don't add for the Corona account. Do you know that? Oh, okay, sir. Okay, you will tell me later, eh? Una need for tell me now. Now that make it on need get access to lawyer then for see the clients in Apademba Road. Una not give them people in time for let them call them and talk to them. Who said them there?
Na didn't they? Who said them there? Na didn't they?
Anyway, me I not like bad news. Let's take some good news and enjoy myself.
Now we jump to another issue. From 2004, for the first time where the mayor and the district chairman them begin receive big money when at the salary.
How much money? 2 million. A big money that day.
17 million.
17 waiting?
17 million for mayor and
District
council chairman them.
Yeah? No. Sometimes 1,700.
My friend, I say 17 million. You know, say we're not afraid for spend the money, we say for spend other people and cry. 17 million for the mayor and the district council chairman them. He like other person not get 100,000. You know,
give me the money. Give me the money. Give me the money. I want for put food on my table. Yeah.
You ain't belong now. They survive.
And try you.
You ain't not belong.
But 17 million is good. From 2004 when they established them to now they begin get 17 million. 17 million. 17 million.
17. Just add them as they sack 17 soldiers there, when a BBB guns there. That same mathematics they use them for the same money. 17 million. They sack 17 done. 17 million. This salary 17 million.
But you know one thing now, these positions, so they can't value it's an do or die for get that position.
No. Me brother.
It's you see the tell when they not be get better than the diamond for another position. The heads out thing go happen.
Tension don't come.
Fatima say we tell mother. Thank you. If you eat so you know it's some money safe and for tell and thank you. It's okay, no problem. But what about the councillor then, Poppy? The councillor there, I think they said they suck up for do and for sit to the councillor then small. I see. Poppy, provide for the councillor then. I'll let you. You know you of JJ Safa or you must do the was up. Mathematics.
So what do you really think about this money for the mayor and the councillor? For the mayor and the district chairman then?
I think it's good. It's good. But just that, at this time when they cry say money no dey for pay certain people in salary, now and then do that but say the money they come on now. Oh, okay, we get 143 million.
They actually money
we get that money. And apart from that, the NRSL they do very well. Then they get that money. I think he's some teacher they already approved 1 year ago. No, get salary. But then they said they can't increase their salary. But no, they don't get it.
You don't tell them that what they.
But they don't increase the teacher their salary 30%. But I think say. Then teachers already be strike 1 year they not get pay, then they can't begin get pay now.
Okay, let's see that happen.
Then nurse themselves, they only get them.
We don't want to live on promise. We want to live on action. Action, how long we want to live in? Don't live in action. Not all about promise. They can't do this. No. Do another see.
Not for this no more. You remember I say we buy Mutuka for the COVID-19?
Yes, of course.
We thought and fit say the resident minister then they do well in the fight against the coronavirus inside Riyadh.
Wow.
Yes, so what we decide for do? We decide for take brand new Mutuka then give all the resident minister then.
Wait. Brand new Mutuka them for the resident ministers.
Northwest, the east, the south, you know. Give it all. Resident minister them, when I get Mutuka, brand new Mutuka them.
Resident
dash them for the coronavirus because they don't do well pan the effect.
I really get concerned over this issue.
What are you concerned?
My people are in Sierra Leone. This now it don't happen. As we all don't see, where the resident ministers them, they don't praise them. They praise them. What I say praise them? Really praise them. How they do well for faith. Coronavirus now we country.
COVID-19.
And then then compensate them with brand new vehicles.
Yes.
That's fine. But my caution here is, we feel say the resident minister them deserve this, or na people them, when are the nurses them, when are the frontline workers them, when are people them, when they go meet people them, mingle with people them, swap them for this sick. Then people here also, they don't come on social media, they don't come cry for vehicles. Say that they strain for go about their own process. Then people here, they don't come on social media, they don't come cry, but even say for rest. Say sometimes, pass them go under them and go take them, then clean they, then sit down. Then people here, me family, they don't come on social media, they don't come cry for salary. Say, money them we supposed to meet them, and not they meet them.
Top up,
not they meet them. I be feel say
transport no day.
So me feel say instead of the resident ministers them get them vehicles there, them for don't know what them for do, for try at least for satisfy the people them when are the frontline workers, the nurses them, people the way they do swap. For make we know who that gets this, who that don't get her.
Caretaker say, he put the health workers them at the center of an agenda. But when it comes to benefits, he put the resident minister and government personnel them at the top of the agenda. Brand new vehicle for resident minister.
But we all know see a music. I'm not cut you on. We don't see a music we just come out, right? For tell thanky about people we stand firm for fight this coronavirus in our country. We know here we caretaker tell thank you to resident ministers. We already tell thank you to the nurses, frontline workers, and other people. And then if these benefits don't come, then people will don't tell thank you. Nothing not able to meet them.
Maybe people will ask you something. The frontline workers them and the resident ministers who don't do well pass. Now the resident minister then you see, they support me. Yeah. You really support me? Put a note in the comment box, yeah? Always we don't talk from before to right now. Put a note for we let we know what you think about that. Because for we, as the government, we feel say we forgive them to the also to the resident minister because they don't do well in the fight against COVID.
And we as citizens, we feel say this benefit for go to the nurses them, we feel say that they don't do well for fight this COVID-19.
What do you think? Can't tell me, Bo. And the resident minister they forget to.
Well, it's not a challenge between me and you two. Let people just tell you what you think. Now the comment section below.
No,
me say this benefit for come to the nurses them because now they risk their life for go meet people them. You get people them inside the nurses them where they go swap people them for know if me and you don't infected in this coronavirus thing.
If you support,
then they strain for transport, then they strain for top up, then they strain for some side for rest. Ebo.
Una not listen to that way, una listen to me. The resident minister then forget Mutuka NT.
Wait till resident minister don't do well reach than us.
The medical people then are infect the coronavirus number, but they not do well it like the resident minister the NT.
Now that they don't tell me now, he make them do this kind of thing.
Not to hear the talk, so you hear the talk. Not to hear the talk too. Una not listen to Justin. Justin, I'm not saying you can talk fine, continue, but una not listen now. The resident minister, yes, you get point, but then forget Mutuka NT. So you see, you understand, When I just support me, and not support Justin, Justin, I'm not saying you let them nurse them, you only them see them good, but now the resident minister then for support more because then they do well in the fight against the COVID-19. Hey, Justin, I like you. I just been the guy for telling them support you.
Anyway, no wonder also of their resident minister they misbehave. Now them community then.
Not say some, say abu.
You know?
Now well, I don't say you want to talk about.
You know?
Well, now this make abu the broke foot for your government.
You broke foot so that they will broke foot. Okay, the people there. As you don't challenge me with brother, we don't know the results in the comment section below. And don't forget, we still there inside the COVID-19 fight. As we sing the song of Gil Najishno, say, Salon, some people say na just money making. Some people still not believe on the COVID-19 fight. Now the song of Gil now, where we just begin the program. The question now, where we want to ask, to the view of the people because it not just come out to will. beaucoup people as una all know say beaucoup people say they not believe the fight. And some of them think are just money making. Right?
So the question now is, you believe in the fight against coronavirus inside Riyadh Salone? If yes, put your answer down at the comment section. If no, put up for we down and give a reason why you believe or why you not believe. Now, inside the fight against the Ebola, remember Ebola not to be worldwide something. It been there in just few West African countries then. And people have not been believe in the fight against in Ebola and Riyadh because of the message when they been passed to we force. It been different from what we see. They mean say when you get Ebola, blood and this and that will come up at you and all of this. And we see we Ebola will be in a salary different. So people been get some challenge they no want for belief. And go on. Caretaker can win the election. Now they interview him. So caretaker been get for talk something. Let me listen what caretaker been talk about why people not been believe in the Ebola where we been get inside Salone. Let me listen and we'll come back just now.
Talk to me a little bit more about some of the lessons that you think that the country and its people should draw out of the Ebola epidemic. One of the things that I noticed from the research about that time in the country's history is that citizens not just were fearful about a health crisis, they began to distrust their government. How are you working to repair that trust, to re-earn that trust?
There is definitely a trust deficit in Sierra Leone, like most other countries in the world, where the people become so critical, so distrustful of the government. And that emanated from the fact that when there was an eruption of the Ebola virus, they didn't take it seriously. In fact, they said it wasn't on. So I think we have to open our doors. We have to let the public know what is happening. We have made serious pledges to the nation, and we are keeping those so they know that when you say something, you do it, and then they will trust you in future. When you say there is Ebola here, everybody should be careful. People will be careful. But if you make it a habit of lying, and that was what was happening for the most part. So even when people were told there was Ebola, they said, no, this is not a government that we can trust. They've been involved in telling us lies for a very long time. So I have made pledges and are fulfilling those pledges one after the other, even without international financial support. That is going to reestablish some amount of trust and confidence between the people and the government.
Well, now this week here, take a say, where he just take power. He said the former government, when at the APC, they not be honest to people and a government where they lie to people too much. Now he make, when the government be announce Ebola, the people are saying, we know they believe una because una na government where they lie and we too much. But now we listen under the fight against coronavirus, what did the people say?
Because the government will put certain measures in place and make certain things that they go wrong. Because when then are the gold model, they wait for shooting and wait for happen. Then they do above the thing and then they use the time for be their own priority. Because if I go make instances them to the 9 o'clock of era, then they go more than that hour day. Then they use that hour day for be their own time for chill, do any other kind thing in the country. That makes us Saluman, we get large experience with the see far, they say corona not there. Corona is not here. But maybe you say Corona is here. And because of how the government they behave, make other people they take out away.
Because the Corona, the violence they say they attack people when they die. Salonia, people I don't ever see or not ever hear you say because they attack them in America, then other states them. And not there. I don't ever see possible all the clear in the old the people outside. Let me so they make here. Then imagine I go plans the last week Wednesday. Why they go? You understand him? Like people are gone. At this beach and push chairs them. When people say now something get there, you understand him. But when I don't go, where they come, I say crowd. You understand? The officer there, new police there, they big money. Soft on them why they say so. They big money. Tell them see crowd. Me ask them, listen to something that war in Tidobi. I say they say, they come on there, they enjoy. They never get coffee at themselves. I don't believe come on there. But every day they put some mommy die to me. Mommy die to you, understand him? So the maga don't go add mommy he died to the corona. Come on there.
Well, like me, so many experience when me gets. why make I relax and say corona no dey now country. Now look according to we death rate. If we multiply we own death rate with for Italy, then get high death rate pass we. So we not go cancel down they say we own country they say corona, which of course Italy for the day more than 8,000 people and they die just for one rain day. Then say corona dey now we country. Me I go some places like that aqua so side they make now more in town for swim. I go some places that they see crowd and they crowded people and then they swim, picking and they go there, big people and they go there, prominent somebody there, they go there. So why did they say corona dey? Well, for me personality, corona no dey necessarily. I'm not even convinced if say corona dey necessarily.
Government they speak the reality to it. You get a lot of increased case, but that not that much, you know. So this thing me just say and say it's a fake. We don't get the corona in this country. They just effect for calm, they buy people and they need them and the business what they for do. People and then at the states, some people don't make them plantation what they for cancer, them business them for sustaining family. But everything just close out the people and for survive now. You know, I'm off suffering. Go now Badim Beach, they see a lot of people they go beach that Levuma beach and now the people they suffer at the provinces and no food for it's not they better. No, the coronavirus not in this country.
Yeah. Me love they sweet me.
I know go sweet you.
Me people me I know they talk to you. I they talk to me family until now they the people they say these are the reasons the way they give. They say the government officials them then they chill for you and understand that word waiting are chilling. Like put her in the way where we only understand.
Then they palalo.
Then they enjoy. Then they go down the beaches the way they say they not for go. Side the way they say they don't abandon people. Then they boycott to themselves. They take that money. Then go enjoy.
What's money?
But you know. So if they don't say the past government be the like and people them now it make when they can't talk about Ebola. The people they say we not believe una because una be the like power. Now they don't take power. The fight against corona, look what they happen. Beaches then they go there to themselves and go enjoy. Go now Romba, then go enjoy. What do you think about them when we don't talk say now this maybe people do not believe about Ebola? What do you say? People go believe about corona now towards their own actions them what they do presently.
You see me I not like for talk then kind of talk there. But you see, can't take a back kick inform. They tell you they say people they not get that. People and they get them back, them bad day them, they marry, they cancel all thing. They say no church service, no mosque with prayer, all thing. But now we see caretaker and I go now in lodge. You go get our people and then they say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So if you the preach say not do this, then you do am. How people for believe? Now this is not the problem. This is not the problem. But I'll tell you something. I get issue with the person who do this report. Where say 35% of the people inside Freetown not believe in the coronavirus. I get issue with that.
What's not the issue again?
This not been person where I've been sabi as a civil society activist. It be very hard when they discuss issue. But now it's very diplomatic when they discuss issue. What do I mean? Today they call things by a name. But right now, it not they call things as it is. It play safe, and in this case, when I been listening to 98.1, when it talk about what to make people not believe, he always they say people need for take ownership. You know, I not ever hear he talk say government to do this, make people not believe. I tell like say this person so they want get an appointment. But can I tell you something about this report? Even this report now government get for do the survey. Even go in the tribal for the government get another survey for they do. So if the government tell you for do something, what do you go do? First, when this man IGR, when they do report, then they do independent report. Now then they spend resources from other side, money from other side, organization, international organization, where they give them money, then do something. This one then they come up with independent things then. But now if government pay you say do this survey for we, what do you expect? 35% now you not believe say corona day, I not believe. Me, I don't believe the report where IGR put together this trip. Well, I will always trust IGR when they hit very hard on government issues them. But this one, and Hula Valley really the place safe. I begin notice from the terrible violence they did. Ian Valnora Edwin be appearing on 98.1 on a discussion. Valnora the try for put the point as it is. Andrew Lavalley, the try for play safe, the try for say this, no, na this. I'm not sabi this person, not to this kind Andrew Lavalley I've been sabi before. So I don't know, it's like when they don't promise him for give a job. So now in the play safe, or now they survey them, he want for they take money from government for do survey. Because me, anybody when they take money from government for do survey, remember say now for government to do and now for police government.
Well, Aliyu, you they look at in two ways. Andrew Lavalley, you go blame him. In the other way, you not go blame him.
Why?
Good. Make a calm now the part where I say you know they blame him.
Okay.
If you look at the other way, as I tell you now, two way they look at her now. If then they arrest people like Sylvia and other people for talk the truth in that country.
No, Justin.
Are they calm?
No, I'm not even allow you for going now. You know what?
Are they calm? Allow me to arrest.
Andrew Lavalley,
Allow me to arrest.
IGI, Institute of Governance Reform, or for Governance Reform. This now one organization when me be saying a credible organization. They're not the fear for say anything.
Allow me make an arrest, right? I say we they look at the issue in two ways.
Yes.
Right? Good. Where you don't, you will pick who say you want.
Okay.
The one side, we all know Salon today, when you then are your right track, you dey try for express you right. The next thing, now later than they serve you or send CID them. Now you place, arrest you with no explanation, na Pandemba Road. Maybe now that way they Andrew Lavalley they look at certain issues them. But the other big thing now, where surprise me na the other issue, if Andrew Lavalley they collect money from the government for do something, you understand? You feel say Andrew Lavalley they get anything changeable for reports against the government when a bad things what they do.
So
because he get for think and say that money where they get from the government, they know they get them again. If the government again have contract them for do where say they get in mass, then you can't talk say the present government they do this bad thing, the present government they do this. If they and that's they know they get them and the dirty salon politics. This what they talk about.
but wait, this not the person where not to government be the get money. If they get money from other organizations.
Yeah, but now if you don't decide for us to other government, now your opinion. And mind you, these governments, that reminds me on the issue we don't present now, but the journalists them. Now this same government don't promise the journalists there for give them perfect, respectful building. Now salon. At the end of the statement, at the end of the talk, what did they say? They say the ball left now. Now cut.
This make you know them days there for by the way. Let's just congratulate all the one they go as press attaché na ministries na international, you know the embassies them na other country them. I want for say congratulations to una. But I get issue again. You see 98.1, you know, now radio station where I not only like them, but I think say I work there and myself me own did it. And you know say the time where the president meet with the diplomats them, you know. All the radio station them at one point say then stop them for let them not continue for reports because they want all the secret meeting with the diplomat NT.
Of course.
98.1 not ever tell we say that happen. They not ever tell we that day. Then they just discuss things them, you know, at the end of the day, you know, the person, you know, where go at the program, just interview the chief minister of waiting at the outcome. For God's sake, why you not tell we instead you go ask chief minister? We don't ever know. They don't ever tell we say then drive journalists them. Okay, not to drive. Then stop journal or they ask the journalists them out until after the program. Now until we hear an AYV or other side. You understand? So not until few days ago, now I get for Kano say this person where them is sent for go cover this event, the diplomat with the president. Now he gets presidential appointments in one of the press attaché them. So, because we reached to this days ago, one my colleague, you know, been asked say the need for let increase the journalists' and salary. Because I see reason in that. If you know they pay you journalists well, what do you expect? Some of the journalists they don't even pay them. Now they defend salary for themselves.
So why don't they bolang?
And if journalists, if person defend money for himself, he get for do everything for making.
They bolang.
This now the thing where they be party with you know politician everything.
Of course.
Because the politician get for pay and post. For God's sake, I don't go through that system there. I know how it talent. Certain tell them, they tell you say, but go, then they give transport. But go the program, then they give transport. Now this not the reason we make. If you do program na salon, you know give journalists and transport, then they vex for you. Next time you call them, they can't. I no go blame them. Now I study the society. Because most of the media house owners them, they're only concerned about them. Some of them, if you see them to carry them. Then if you watch some of the journalists then they try no more for let them come on decent. But they get family for take care of. But it's very difficult for them.
I know.
It's really difficult.
I really know.
So if you know they pay you journalists, if the media house not they give respect to a journalist, what do you expect? Who say for open money? Not for the politician then.
And then we get money from the politician, what you expect them for reports.
And if you get a politician where you know say they bail you, sometimes they go and give 500,000 for one grain interviewer. If you go hear you something but we bad about the politician, you could do it.
You know, you need to do right time.
Because if you do it next time, they give you money and who say you go begin back for the other person. Sometimes they with the journalists they could just call Abraham the how the weekend. They say, who say you dey? Come meet me, go pack something for you give. So what do you think? You the protector. So the media house them really need for look into the salary of the journalists them. You know? So I have, you know. But anyway, as it is, I know they blame the journalists then as alone too much. If they need get paid, who say expect for them get paid? They all get family. Woman, they get pikin and all. They get external family for take care of. They need money. So now me company.
Anyway, me all a prayer. May God bring another Moses for we in a salon. We know we'll get them dirty thinking them when they go on another country.
And interestingly, the politician them always want we for see them like a god. They always want we for see them like a master. Without them, we know will ever exist. Now that makes certain things that when we basic amenities that they need we need for beg them before ever they provide them.
Beg you for what? When are people that vote
as
you
it is,
in?
now so he did na salon.
What's it possible for beg you for?
That's what he did.
Now even then they end up bad.
Not a matter of bad. Now that make we know the progress.
We know the progress and
We
they end up bad.
Stand up to them. We know the able because we don't feel say they are untouchable.
You don't press people, they press the president say you press them. At the end of the day, you they receive them, but you know they know. Most of them can come out of them power. They know they enjoy. Now some of them thinks they are.
The politician don't ever want you for being enlightened. Because they know say if you enlighten, that thing where that buffoon where they take you, they know they make you so again. So every day they do things for let you admire them and see them like somebody waiting for worship. Now so it happen, no, now so it happen. Now the country and this Africa in general, and Salon in particular, if you there in your party and they work under this government right now, I support APC, then they sack me. If I they work under APC, I support SLPP, then they sack me. Because they just feel say no more, you don't get rights for belong. You just need for support them at all the time. In the Western world, you get right for the outside you day. You get right for rally, you get right for campaign. Now work you go work. If you want a campaign, when you can, you work back. But yeah, then they put here by firepower. You do go, man. Look how most people don't lose their job right now. Almost. In the top
the recent one in the top
or people na the defense ministry
17
na the armed forces
na 17.
Look the other one they lost their job again, the police the top one there then just sack them. For God's sake, the vice president and the chairman of the police council he just fired with you. The president na the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. What do you expect? Na the last thing. No independent no dey.
But always they say we depend.
In we country, if for example, police go do something, like then tell something happen na Tomboso. Then one police officer can say no, my company be very hard, or the thing happen na Maboka, my company be very hard. The next day they sack her. But we see other side, we say democracy. Although it can be way name, but democracy day. You see, person they come out, even when they work with the government and the police. They come out to say something.
Of course.
But
because then they allow for expressing rights as a citizen. But Salon you craze?
No easy, no easy.
It's not easy. And you not get for easy. Any country where they know they allow you for express rights as a citizen, and then things are not get for happen there. Salon are number one. Wait till they talk so self from where they want. You know? You talk your rights, then they go to you and them by road. You not journalist. If you not take to the right now newspaper, the same Pandemba Road.
Seditious libel.
You know? Well, you go for tell God thank you first if they don't mob justice you when they go to you.
One journalist want to be talking salute to John Jallo. Not say they kidnap him, bro.
Okay.
In another restaurant, they kidnap him. Then go tell him say he gets how they call that thing. And then get advert from, but the advert thing at the motorcar. As he carry the motorcar, so they grip him by force.
The things when they happen now, we had salon. I don't really know how they go. Honestly, I don't know how they go.
But you know easy. You are not say certain time that you know something past the waiting me they know anything. Yeah. You want for the help with certain information then? Yeah, no. So if that be the case, I think we need for get a very good communication, yeah? How about if we give our number? Just give the WhatsApp number for we. This number anytime you get information, just drop on it for we no more. Yeah, as long as it's information authentic. Drop on for we bro, watch them. Yeah, this we are now, we all business so now we all get for maker. This talk not so we don't talk no more. Yeah? Just drop the number.
Okay, for any information, as my brother say, where you get for we, you want share with we, you want all the talk, tit and tat, you know. Not forget for send the information or call in at this number. Now WhatsApp number this +232 807 914 20 +232 807 914 20. Now we WhatsApp number. You can send me any information where you get for we the receiver. You want to talk to we can talk through that WhatsApp group.
But if you want to send we email, you know, on any important something, you can as well do that for we. Mock the news. How we can say, we'll put on the screen, yeah? Mock the news 012@gmail.com. Mock the news 012@gmail. Mock the news 012@gmail.com. It's on the screen already. You can send me any email, you know, of any important thing where you want for share with me, okay? Thank you very much. I want to say I appreciate you now where they view we programs them. You don't subscribe to the channel. But please, you not subscribe it. And you don't enjoy everything what they discuss. You want to forget more? Please press the subscribe button. Then you go over so now just in part under and small. You see that bell, press them. When you press them, you see one thing where they come up list. On top, you see they say all. Just touch them. You don't done. Anytime we post with video, you get notification. So you go able for listen. And the count we program every Wednesday, 9 o'clock or 2100 hours salon time. 9 o'clock PM salon time every Wednesday and Saturday. Okay? So don't forget for January. At the time that the premiere we show every Wednesday and Saturday 9 PM salon time. Thank you very much for you subscribe to we. Thank you very much for where you comment. Thank you very much for where you like. And thank you very much for where you always the watch we video them. Thank you also for where you share. God bless you. God bless we all. Me, we love you so much. As you pray, let God protect we. Let God give you more wisdom, knowledge, and understanding for do this program. We as well pray. Let God protect you as well. And let God make you able for the gifts waiting it take for let you live a better life. Okay? God bless me all.
Plenty thanks again for you. We don't do everything good now with channel. Me prayer, make this God who will believe, who me and you believe, make it send for we another Moses inside we had Mama Salud.
But we don't pray for Moses. We don't pray for Moses. Don't pray for Moses.
We not for still relent for pray.
No, we don't need for pray for Moses again.
Well, we don't get ahead. You want the car not to Moses so.
Okay. Remember them Akiten say them say the beautiful ones are not yet born, eh? Okay, let God make one of the beautiful ones them born and let them can take over.
God give you somebody who can save we from this bondage. Now that God has still a repeater. Send for we somebody in a salon where they can save we from this sufferness, from this lock, from this violence, from this alleged fake news, fake sentence, fake beating, flogging, this, that, everything. Let God bring somebody who can save we. And that one day. Until we meet again at the next program.
No way can slap you.
Me, na Justin. He like you beat me.
No, I fake beat I beat you. Fake beat.
Okay, I will lock you fake lock. Stay blessed, stay safe, me famulem. Until we meet again.
Me na used to say.
Me na Justin.
God bless we all.
God bless everybody.
God bless we love. We are Sierra Leone.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. E don done. E no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able for grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join we na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we dey do. Thank you for what you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.